Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be changing my facial jewellery. I haven't changed my jewellery in a while and I thought it'd be cool to record it for you guys. The last video I made when I changed my body jewellery, I ended up putting 3 rings in one hole. So today I'm going to be making it 5 rings in one hole, and I'm also going to be changing up my nose bars, or my nostril piercings, and my Medusa. So I'm going to be putting some new jewellery in there, hopefully so it's all coordinated and matching and all pretty. I have some really pretty opal jewellery, so I'm excited to put that in. Yeah, let's get going. So I have a selection of jewellery here. I will put the links to where I ordered them from in the video description box for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting an extra 2 rings in this hole. If you haven't seen the last body jewellery changing video, go check it out. I will put the link on the video somewhere for you. It went down very well, people were very interested. It was funny how people weren't too sure that you could actually put more than 1 ring in a hole, so it was quite fun to do. So I have a few click rings here. So I find the best way to stretch up a hole to put more jewellery in is to use a taper. So I'm going to be using a 1.2mm taper that I ordered from Crazy Factory. I find this is the easiest way to thread the jewellery in if you're finding it difficult to find the hole, and also if you want to put more than 1 in a hole, then definitely I'd recommend using a taper. I also use this taper to change my labret bars in my high nostril piercings. It's very helpful. First, I'm going to take a click ring, just put that on the side. I'm going to have both of the click rings ready so we can just pop them straight in. Okay, so I can see that this hole has stretched up quite a lot, so I'm going to put the taper in and we'll see there is plenty of space left. Let's just push it through. There we go. So that's telling me that I can put this ring straight in. Let's do it. Okay, it's in. I'm just going to click it in place like so. Cool. So guys, we finally have 4 rings in one hole. So I'm going to add 1 more ring, making it a total of 5 in one hole. Let's do it. Got the ring. Will there be enough room? Yes, there is. Okay, now I'm going to close the click ring. Let's click. Cool. And there we go. Wow guys, look at that. This is what you call stacking, when you have more than 1 of your jewellery choice in a hole and you stack it up and it's just stacked. So that's what I've done here. It definitely looks a lot more fuller. So cool. Right, so the next thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to be changing my Medusa piercing, and I'm also thinking about changing my septum piercing to a barbell. Just kind of, I don't know, because I do have a sterilised barbell here and it's a 6mm, so it's just perfect size to go in there, just so I don't have the ring overlapping the jewellery that I'm going to put into my Medusa, because I am putting quite a big top on this one. You guys will see what I mean in a second. I've been meaning to change the jewellery in my Medusa piercing for so long and I haven't done it because I wanted to do it all in one go. So working my way through. So I have a internally threaded purple opal labret with a, I think it's 6mm dermal top on there. I did order one with a smaller top as well, just in case it was too big on my face, but I think we're going to go for the bigger top, so extra sparkle. Now it did come with the labret bar. If it threads onto the same bar, then I'm just going to swap the tops over. So we'll see what it looks like. So I'm just going to take my jewellery pliers, loosen the top, unscrew it. Okay, so I'm going to take the top of this one. This is really fiddly to do. Oh, finally managed to get it threaded on. I'm just going to tighten it up. Making sure it's straight. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to change my septum piercing. This is a click ring, so you should just be able to find the end and click it. There we go. Barbell. Now just put this in. This looks so freaky. I've only just be able to screw the ball on properly and tighten it. Woohoo! And there we go guys, that was me changing my facial jewellery. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and entertaining. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys!